Hello students, so here is another video of the reading passage 2 and the name of the passage is the changing role of airports. So basically the overview of this passage is very simple. They are simply describing that airports are changing their roles. Like in order to generate more and more income, they are changing their roles, they are providing new facilities. So basically in this paragraph A also they have given this thing. In recent times, developing commercial revenues means they want to earn from the market, like and they are making new facilities in the airport so that they can earn more and more. Has become more challenging for airports. It is becoming more challenging. Why? The factors are like increased competition from internet shopping, like people are doing internet shopping rather than being offline shopping, and restrictions on certain sales also, like tobacco, and new security procedures, like they have to go through new security procedures for a long time, due to which their time time for passengers to do shopping usually decreases. Moreover, the global economic downturn means and decrease in economy has caused a reduction in passenger numbers, while those that are traveling generally have less money to spend. While those people who are traveling to abroad countries, foreign countries, they are usually having less money to spend. This means that the share of revenue from non-aeronautical revenues actually peaked at 54%. Means it means revenues that are generated from non-aeronautical things, like arranging meetings for the passengers, like these type of facilities they are providing. So that's why they are earning 54% at the turn of the century, but it has subsequently declined slightly to a small extent. Meanwhile, the pressure to control the level of aeronautical revenues are as strong as ever due to the poor financial health. Like they are saying that they want to control the level of aeronautical revenues, they want to earn more and more. This is also more important because of poor financial health of many airlines also, and the rapid rise of the low cost carrier sector. Like there are some sectors which are providing flights also, and many facilities at a lower rate. So now we are having three questions. As you can see, I have marked three questions: 19, 23 and 17. First of all, we will go at the 17 question. So here is a 17 question. Mention of the impact of budget airlines on airport income. Budget airlines means which are quite cheaper. So here it is. Budget airlines, they have mentioned the synonym for budget airline is the rapid rise of the low cost carrier sector. So here we can get the answer. They are having a lot of impact also. That's why they were saying uh, the pressures to control the level of aeronautical revenues are as strong, like they have to control it because of the low cost carrier sector, which are budget airlines, and poor financial health of many airlines also. We can also connect budget airlines with this one also. So now we will move to the next question, which is 19. So here it is a kind of summary. The length of time passengers spend shopping at airports has been affected by updated security procedures. Yes, they have given here, you can see, new security procedures. Updated synonym is new. They have added new word for the synonym of updated. New security procedures that have had an impact on the dwell time of passengers. So this is the other part of the question, an impact on the dwell time of passengers. So now we will move to the next question, 23. Survey findings. Despite financial constraints due to the dash, we can write economic downturn also or economic climate also. Answer is here. Moreover, the global economic downturn has caused a reduction in passengers numbers. So they have written Financial constraints means having less money or less economy. So here is our answer, economic downturn. Now we will move to the next paragraph. In this paragraph, they have provided some solutions to grow commercial revenue, such as extending the merchandising space or providing them more facilities like shopping opportunities. But these have tried at the limits also. Like already some airports have tried it, but they are not able to do more out of it. A more radical solution is to find new sources of commercial revenue. Its result is that, as a result, many terminals are now such much more than just shopping malls and offer an array of entertainment. Yes, they are providing a lot of entertainment, leisure activities also. They are having a lot of facilities like shopping malls also. A person can shop any kind of product also there, and wellness facilities. At this stage of facilities provision, the airport also has the possibility of taking on the role of final destination rather than merely a facilitator of access. They are saying that it can be a final last destination of a person. The airport can be a last destination of a person where he want to stop himself. So here we are having two answers. You can see 15. Now we will move to 15 question first. A statement regarding the fact that no further developments are possible in some areas of airport trade. Yes, they have told us here some of more obvious solutions to growing commercial revenues. So we can see that they have already been tried to their limit at many airports. Limit means to a certain extent from where we cannot surpass that extent also. Like it is a point which cannot be transcended. Like we cannot we cannot go through that point above that point. So they are at their limits. So no further development cannot take place at these airports. So here we are having our answer. So next question is 20th. Now we will move to the 20th question. Airports with a wide range of recreation facilities can become a final destination for people rather than a means to travel. Yes, they have told us here. By providing these kind of facilities, the airport also has the possibility of taking on the role of the final destination rather than merely a facilitator of access. It is quite a easy question. So now we will move to the C paragraph. Now in C paragraph, they are simply saying that the airports are developing more and more, and now they are mainly focusing on the business travelers in the terminal. They usually include the facilities like business centers that supply sports services, meeting rooms, so that they can have any kind of meeting with their clients also or with their bosses also. Now they have given us an example also within this context. It is an example. JARAS 2001 discusses how dedicated meeting facilities located within the terminal and managed directly by the airport operator. Like they are providing the meeting facilities. So here is our answer 18th. Now we will move to the 18th. Examples of airport premises that might be used for business purposes. Yes, airport premises means airport facilities or airport areas, boundaries. So yes, we are using airport boundaries, airport facilities here. This includes offering business centers that supply sports services, meeting or conference rooms and meeting facilities, all these. So here is our answer. Now we will move to the D paragraph. In this paragraph, D paragraph, they are saying when an airport location can be promoted as a business venue. Yes, it will increase and it will also attract both retaining airlines and their passengers. Like it will attract the passengers also, and the airlines will retain in there. Now they are also saying that the presence of meeting facilities could become one of the determining factors taken into consideration when business people are choosing airlines. They are saying that when business people usually choose the airlines, they usually they usually choose that airline which is providing meeting facilities also. So this will have an effect on the operator's financial position also, but and future prospects. But this can be only achievable if this will be dependent on the competitive advantage, like if they will be able to achieve this, because there will be a lot of competition in the other with the other airlines also, because they will be also providing meeting facilities. So now here we are having our two answers, 21 and 22. We shall move to 21. Both passengers and airlines may feel encouraged to use and develop a sense of loyalty towards the airport that market their business services. Yes, they have told us a retaining, they have used a retaining word also. We can see here, help and it help it become more competitive in both attracting and retaining airlines and their passengers. Like the passengers will also use the airlines. So here we are having our answers. They have given us passengers word, but the missing one was airlines. So answer is airlines. Now shall we move to 22 question. Airports that supply meeting facilities may need to develop a competitive advantage over other venues. They have given other venues also, like you can see other venues with here it they have written in comparison with other venues. The answer is, but clearly this will be dependent on the competitive advantage. The answer is competitive advantage that the airport is able to achieve. They are able to achieve the competitive advantage as compared to the other venues. Other venues means any other kind of facility which they were providing earlier also. So now we will move to the paragraph E. I will discuss the paragraph E in the next video, so kindly watch that video also. Thank you.